So good afternoon. We out here. Both of us pretty much set up. About to see if we can get on these bass. Yak mob, not a slack mob. Let's get it. First cast. I don't even have my drive in yet. Wow. And got into some mess. And you threw it right into it? Throw it into the mess. Need some more? Hold on. It is? Okay. You left me with the trash. Okay. Nice little tucked away spot. My husband already caught 3. Now he chasing the one that got away. And I'm kind of doing the same thing. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It was a perch chasing my bait. You can see the colors good through this water too. Oh, baby. He fighting me. He fighting me. I need my net. I need my net. He fighting. He fighting. I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna let you fight. I'm gonna let you fight. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on. Come back. Come back. Ah. Oh. Oh. Off the drop shot. Ah. Oh, God, I can't even function right now. Couldn't even see it on my screen because I switched it. Oh, gosh. Get down there. Get down there. Calm down, fish. Calm down. Oh, I got to get that hook out the mouth. Oh, that fish picked on me earlier. That fish picked on me earlier. I done got on the camera with it. It's all wrapped up in my stuff. Let me get my grip so I won't drop. I do not need to drop this at all. Fish grip. Save me. Because if I drop this fish, I'm gonna lose my mind. off the dingle shot from Chris. Baby, 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 baby. Oh, oh, I hope I got it on camera. I hope I got it on camera. All right, let's get that release straight off the board. Go ahead. Go ahead. Baby. Oh, oh, I hope I got it on camera. I hope I got it on camera. Huh? I did. I really did. Okay, so far, husband's caught about 4 or 5 fish. Small bass, perch, you know. Got that 17-inch largemouth. Ultimately, the best fish I've caught all spring so far. But I'm gonna keep it going, and shout out to Chris Cantwell, CNC Bait Co. That dingle shot, excellent. All right, fish on. Fish on. He running that drag like crazy, but he'll be done in a minute. Oh, damn, that was quick. Another largemouth. Ah, another largemouth. Ah, off the net rig. Calm down, buddy, calm down. Get tangled up in my net. Size fish. Yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Yeah, this one is only at 14. It's nice, but it's only 14. Yeah, get this bad boy back in. Oh, it took off so quick. They'll be playing. Hit that water, they out of there. That one wouldn't even submit, you know. But it's cool. Go check him out, see how it's going. La la la. Damn, you quit on the spider that quick?
Nah, I ain't quit. He just not he not about to come back to it right now. I know. So
I am really. You want to fight? Can I get that out clean? Huh? Oh, had to get that hook out. Another nice one. Yeah, yeah. Get that thing released. So we've been out here bringing in some decent sized bass, but it's a ton of perch. You can see them swimming through the water, and they fighting. They literally fighting each other to get to the hook. But we can't manage to land none of them because they scrambling around with each other. It's all good though. It's still a nice day. Still got a couple hours out here before we get ready to go home. Hopefully we get some more nice sized bass. Then caught a couple large ones. Definitely been a good day. All right, let's see what happens next. Fish on. Oh, this a little baby too. They ain't even supposed to be out here. I wish you could just shake off. Oh, cute. I don't even need the net for this. You can sit in my boat. It's a little water right there. Splash around in that water that I done let in. Oh man, it's one of them days. Oh, I'm gonna need some tools for that one. You got hook and good hook. That's a good hook. Babe, I got another one. Small. Really small. He like took that hook like like it was a war going on under there. Hurry up, this one needs to grow. You need to get bigger. Let me get up here and get to my stuff. Get a little grip on you so we can get that hook out safe without gripping your guts open and stuff. See, they... All right, you can fit right through there. Go ahead and get big. Produces. Another good one. A really good day. Yes. Another one. Small one, but get up in there safe. Whew. Whew. There we go. You can flap all you want to. And I'll get that hook out. Let me get that hook out. How we living? Am I gonna be able to do this without tools? Or are you gonna make it hard? Ooh, where the hook at? Hands cold. There we go. Stay like that so we can get that out of there. Damn, you got it good. Little baby, you know. Get that back in there. Ooh. Especially since you got Hog Hunter on your board. Yeah. Got your new glasses and stuff all tinted out. I got all 4 screens going on here. That's sweet. And catch a fish while I'm recording you too. Had that same energy you had when we bent in here. Every time I turned around, you was like, fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh, you standing now. It's getting serious. Get serious. Catch with them damn perch that's been harassing us all day. Perch harassment. Okay, I gotta quit playing. Okay, this is the one right here. I'm actually not even picking none up right now. got one on the go. On the go. Let's see. Now we can go. Ooh, hell yeah. Hold that thing up. Oh, it's a thickie. Turn it sideways. Oh, that's a good one for the record books. A good day on the water. Yak Mob out. What's that? 14 and a what?
14 and a quarter.
That's a nice size.
Yeah, he wanted that boy.
On the Bandito.
Bandito bug.
Oh,
Baits.
look at that. Yeah. Oh, get that. Oh, swam away. Yes. All right, so we just got out. Catching a bunch of fish at the last minute. Somebody didn't want to get out the water.
Always.
He found that niche. That Bandito bug came through in the clutch.
Yep.
Feeling too good. We had a good time. It was definitely worth the trip. Now let's see when the next time we can both get out. All right. She Slays Outdoors. The hog hunter. Self-proclaimed hog hunter. And Yak Mob out.